I received this package in the mail and I had no idea what it was, and until I actually cut open the wrapper that was on it. I haven't opened the box, but I did cut open the wrapper. I just remembered that I had ordered this item. I ordered this on February the 8th of 2020 and received it on March 20th of 2020, which is 42 days. Now the item that's in here, I paid $44.99. It included free shipping. The website says that the regular price is supposedly $79.99. I now see that they are listed on the site at $49.99. Alright, let's see what it is that I bought. It is a do-it-yourself clock. And like I said, I haven't opened this yet other than just to cut the paper off. This is the way it came, just to show the condition. And I'll let you know where it shipped from here. So this is supposed to be a Chihuahua frameless wall clock, 37-inch. Now, as you can see here, this item actually shipped from China. Alright, so let's see how easy it is to come out of here. Okay, here we go. Now this is what that looks like, just to get an idea how it survived its trip from China. Alright, so it says it is do-it-yourself. It's removable, easy wipe, to keep clean, and it has flexibility. Silent clock movement. That is nice. I can't stand clocks that you can hear tick every second. So let's see here. So it gives the steps on the back side here. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And it looks pretty self-sufficient. I mean, it can't be that hard. It does come with a template. So, and it gives you some tips here on what to do. Let's get into this, see what it looks like. The reason I ordered this Chihuahua one is I'm a big dog lover and I have Chihuahuas. So I thought it was kind of an interesting item to purchase. Price seemed right, not too expensive, so I thought I'd give it a try. So here's how you see it's packaged. Again, I have not opened this. This is exactly the way it came to me. Let's see what we have here. This is the actual clock mechanism. Okay, they got a piece of shipping stuff there. This looks like it's going to be the actual Chihuahuas that will indicate your hours from 1 to 12. the plate in there. And then this is the template. They say they give you a template that you use to put on the wall to lay this thing out. As you can see, it's quite interesting. See, so if that's up like that, this would be your 12. So you come over here to there, there's your 1, 2, 3, and so on. And then it has here the distance. Now they have it in centimeters, but the distance that you would put a point at depending how far out you want to go, and it goes here to 70 centimeters, whatever that is. I don't work in centimeters, but easy enough to convert. So yeah, so you do get this layout template, very nice. And inside here, I'm not going to pull that apart quite yet. We have the 2 hands. From what I saw on the internet, this little point here I think is what you put. You're supposed to use that as your pivot point, I believe, for this. I think that's what you put in here. I'll double check, but I think that's what you're using right there. Okay, your hour hand here is 9 1/4 inches long. The minute hand is 12 3/8 inches long. Alright, taking a look at the actual mechanism here, you can see where you can adjust the hands. And of course this thing is made out of plastic, you know, it's not like any other clock movement that you get today. No big deal. And it does require 1 AA battery. Alright, so let's put that battery in here. Doesn't appear to be real loud for the moment. I'm not sure. I've had other, clocks that you buy, and they're not too loud in the beginning, but then as they go on, they get kind of loud. So this should be fine as if it stays like this. Now I do have to say that at a distance of about 5 feet, you can hear this. You can hear the slight. I'm sure you're hearing it good here just because it's up close, but you can detect it at about 5 to 6 feet. You can hear it. It's not bad, but if it's a quiet room, you'll hear it. So let's take a look at these characters, these Chihuahua characters that are going to designate the different hours. And let's see, I think. So that's everything included in that pack. Here you see all the figures. There's 12 different shaped Chihuahuas, and they come with a protective wrapping on them because they're very shiny. You can see when the wrapping's taken off. So they all have that. Now I'm not going to take it off now, but there is a foam here that will stick it to the wall, and it's got the paper that you peel off. And again, you can see the foam. You see the shiny part here, which is the actual front, the character itself. Then you've got the foam right behind it. So on the clock mechanism, you'll take this nut and washer off, and then behind you'll put this plate on after you've taken off the plastic. That'll go on there like that. I wished it had it's a little bit of a sloppy fit there. You can see it's not the hole, but I guess it's not a major issue. It's not like but it is a bit sloppy. And then you'll put the washer and the nut. That doesn't give you a lot of room though. Not a lot of room there to put that on. It just gets enough threads, if you can see that. Yep. So it does the job. Looking at the hands, they're both made out of aluminum. And then they're covered with that plastic protective wrap. Now I'm not going to press them on quite yet until I was actually ready to do this, but the hour hand has the bigger hole because it has to go on first to the shaft that you see is bigger here, and that would push on. And I'm not going to push it on, but you see it would go on like that. And then your minute hand, which is the smaller diameter, that will go on to the front one like that. Now the directions in step 7 does say to use non-rechargeable battery. So, and it is kind of nice that everything you'll need is right on this box. All your directions are right here on the box. So, and it's very simple. Very simple. I'm on the website showing these clocks. So this is what it should look like when it's done. And this would be the black version that I bought. Well, that's interesting. Now this does show $44.99. Down here it shows $49.99. So apparently it is still $44.99. This is the description. And the package includes So the installing manual is actually the box cover, the sleeve that covers that styrofoam packaging. In the website, if you need to, you can go there and it fills you in anyway, so you won't have a problem. And they have all kinds of other clocks here too, as you can see.